In this video, we will show you how to connect domain name into GoHighLevel. To connect your domain name into GoHighLevel, it's very easy. First, you must have the registered domain. You can register any domain provider. Okay, for example, I already have one, and I already also connected into the Cloudflare. This is the easiest way that you can connect automatically into the GoHighLevel. Okay, with DNS setup full in here. After that, back into your GoHighLevel and choose sites. On the GoHighLevel's website, we can connect the domain name into our website funnel or also using branded domain. What's the difference? Okay, first, for example, we can connect a domain here. Okay, after that, you can see there is branded domain, client portal, WordPress, email, and etc. Okay, in this case, we want to try to connect the domain name into the websites, okay, or the funnel. If branded domains, this is like backend. So the branded domain can only using subdomain, not main domain. But if you're using funnel websites, store blog or webinar, you can connect using the main domain name. For example, let's just using this and click connect. We will input our domain name. Okay, we will using subdomain from idhex.com and just select like this, for example, r1.idhex.com. You can see this is the subdomain. Okay, just click continue. And if you are not connecting using Cloudflare, maybe you need to add record manually for DNS setup. But because we are using Cloudflare, it's very easy. We can just click continue, and the GoHighLevel will detect if our DNS record is managed by Cloudflare. So we can just click the authorized domain. Okay, for example, like this, the Cloudflare dashboard. Okay, now the authorize, and the last you can click authorize here. Just click authorize and wait until the authorization is completed. It will close the pop-up after complete. Let's wait. Okay, it's require maybe half of minutes or 30 seconds. Okay, just wait. We will try to create the page or funnel using this subdomain. Let's create. After that, okay, we can connect using funnel or websites. For the common, usually we use a website, so just link into the websites and process to finish. For example, let's create a page. We can go to back in here, go to back on this button, and we will select the websites. For example, this is just click new websites. Okay, from blank, let's create R1 and click create. Okay, this is for our websites. Let's create blank website, not using template. Okay, first click add new page. R1's home, like this. For example, this is the path, and just click create new page. We can preview the link like this. You can see this is still blank page and have connected yet with our domain name. Let's connect. Just click settings in here. After you select settings, select a domain and select r1.idhex.com. Okay, and this is for the path. Let it by default, and we can click save. Let's see, we will try to open our websites, and please click preview link. Now you can see we have our domain name, and we can just edit the page. Just edit the page here. Let's fill with some content. Okay, for example, with one column, and you can click this to view the layer. Okay, you can see we can click plus to add any item here. For example, button. Just this is our fun website like this, and you can see the URL is our fun's home like this. Just click publish. Okay, and in here just click update, click save, and we can preview our website here. This is our fun websites. Okay, this is very easy how you can setting or connect your domain name. We can also change. Okay, we save first and click publish again. Make sure if you have this yellow dot in here, the saving is not yet. Okay, and if you can see here, if we preview, our root subdomain name or domain name is have a pet or slug like this. To setting for this is as home pages, you can see we can go to setting this. Okay, and after that select manage, and on the arfan.idhex.com just select edit and set a default page to our Arfan's home. Okay, just click save and try to reopen again our root subdomain. Okay, just reopen this. Okay, now we have the root domain and open as our websites. And that's all tutorial how to connect domain name into GoHighLevel. Okay, this is for our websites or funnel. If for branded websites, okay, let's see. Let's back. We can go to back again and select settings, select connect domain, and for branded domain you can connect this and you will go to your business profiles, and it is like backend, so it can only using subdomain. If you are using the root domain, it cannot be connect. That's all tutorial how to connect domain name on GoHighLevel. Hope this video helpful for you, and thanks for watching.